I didn't record.
Oh no, recording.
Yeah, I didn't record. Okay, hi Oliver. Okay, so you didn't send me the homework, but I think you know how to do this one, right? Okay, so let's
Wait,
just go
I have
back.
a question.
Yeah, what is your question?
How many people are in this class?
Oh, it's because Oliver is in the or like should be 5:30 to 7 class, but he is having something to do, so he is moving to here.
Oh,
Get it?
okay.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's take a look at today's thing. Okay, so we're going to move forward. So when we have the linear relation, everybody, there's a very important thing is learn the linear relation and just do the, how do we say, solve the question happen in your life. Okay, Vicky? I think when you're learning math, the worst case scenario is you think math is useless. Okay, and actually a lot of students think about that way, right? Some of the students think, oh, why we're learning math, right? Actually, if you learn math well, you can solve a lot of questions very good. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. The value of V in dollar of a cereal bought in given by the equation V equals negative 100t plus 600. Okay, if you see something like that, you maybe don't have the feeling, but everybody, if I replaced it, Y equals negative 100x plus 600, don't you feel like it's a linear relation we're learning, right?
Yeah.
And can you tell me what is M and what is B for these two questions? Jason?
B is 600.
Mm-hmm. And what is M?
100.
No,
Negative.
negative
Yeah,
100.
negative
Negative
100.
100. Okay, very
Yeah.
good. So now we're going to create a line which for the straight one is V and the parallel one is T. 其实就跟 x y 一样的，但是我就把它名字换掉了，对不对 Vicky? Understand? Okay, so the 名字已经换掉了，对吧 OK 好 so let's take a look at this one. So what does it mean? 它就是说啊，就是这个 t 是 number of years，就是说，比如说如果是5年的话，他就一共买了100块钱。OK, find the value of stereo after 0, 2 and 4 years. OK, 好，这个很简单。So that means when t equals 0, v equals what? T equals 2, v equals what? And t equals 4, v equals what? Okay, so please send it to me by chat.
Oh.
Okay, should be very easy, right? You put 0 there, so V equals 500. The first, oh, sorry, 600.
600.
600, very good, Andy. So 2 equals what? 400.
Oh, yeah.
And 200, right? Okay, so everybody, if you feel like not comfortable doing that, this is actually equals to the same thing as you have X and Y, you make a table. So 0, 600, and 2, 400, and 4, 200, right? So it just you change the X, Y to T and the B. So everybody, we can actually create, we can find what? So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. When t equals 0, t equals 2 is 400, and t equals 6. Sorry, 4 is 200. Everybody, did you realize it's a linear relation? Get it? Okay, so now it said graph the equation and then use a graph to estimate the value of cereal after 3.5. So we're gonna say 1, 2, 3, 3.5. So what is that? 100, 200, and I'm gonna say $250 is gonna be the answer. So let's see, is it right? So t equals 3.5. So v equals negative 100 times 3.5 plus 600 equals 250. And we get it right. Understood? Vicky? If you part of them you don't understand, you can ask me right now.
Okay.
Jason? Cool?
Yep.
Andy?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Kelvin? Harvey and Oliver? You're all good? Yes? Okay. So we're going to move forward, okay? So let's take a look at number 9. Number 9 is going to be based on you, okay? So I want you to think about the same thing. So n equals 0.4t plus 20, and t is the age. So find the number of liters of soft drinks consumed at age 13, 14, and 15. 你看年纪越大，是不是喝的越多啊？好，那我们来看一下，好吗？
Yeah.
So number A, everybody please calculate. Okay, so I have received the answer. Okay, so let me see. The n equals, so what we have actually, the best thing is create a what? Create a table, right? So this is n, this is t. So when t equals 13, n equals what? Equals 0.4 times 13 plus 20 equals 25.2. Okay, when t equals 14, so 0.4 times 14 equals 25.6. 15 equals 26. Okay, so that means when you're older, you're getting older, the liter of soft drinks, you're getting more and more. And all you need to do is just to find out 13.
老师， 弄错了吧？
啊？
应该是24.2吧？
真的吗？没错，
我怎么算出来是25.2呢？
哦，my 哦，
吓死我了。Okay,
我
everybody.
以为是14.3，什么东西搞混了。
OK，好，很简单啊，这个把图画出来，然后把19放进去就可以了。OK。So these will be your homework for the 1 and 12. OK， 好，这两道题老师不讲了。OK。So now this part is if you have something like that, how to graphing them. There are some questions, some very easy one is just create the table. Okay, everybody? So when you have a 3x plus 2y equals 6, so Jason, Andy, you're going to create a table first to x and y. So when x equals 0, y equals what? Y equals 3. And when y equals 0, x equals what? 2, right? So basically, do we need this one? We technically don't need these ones because you know what? 2 points, we can just find out the line already. But if you want, you're more than welcome to do 2 lines, 3 spots. Understand, Vicky? Okay, create the table is the best way to do that, okay? So now let's take a look at this one. This question, a lot of students making mistakes, okay? When we have horizontal or vertical equations, how do we do this, okay? For instance, we have a y equals 4, right? That means no matter x equals what, y equals always equals 4. So x could equals 1,000, 0, or negative 1,000. Y always equals 4. Get it? It could be any number. And if you have a line like that, okay, if you have a line like that, and you can have here and here, so what is that? You have negative, so you have negative 3, x equals negative 3. So that means when you have a table, x equals negative 3, negative 3, negative 3, and y could equals what? 1,000, 200, or negative 4. It doesn't matter. X always equals 3, negative 3. Understand, everybody? Okay, very good. Okay, so now let's take a look at this one, okay? Determine whether the given order here is the solution of the following equation or not. This homework is super duper easy, okay? So everybody, this is a value of x, this is a value of y. So 3 times 2 minus 5 times 3 equals negative 9. So you put yes here. Okay, so if you have this one, 1 over 3 times 6 minus 8 times 1 over 4 equals 2 minus 2 equals 0. Not 4, so you have to put a 0. No here.
Can you do y and n?
Huh?
Can you do y and n?
Y and n?
Like just put a y there.
Which-
Like y. Oops. Like y.
Oh, yeah, of course. You can do yeah, and you can say and. Yes, very good.
Okay.
Okay, so you can save some words. Jason, that's a land. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. This is very easy. So we have x equals 0, y equals 2, and y equals 0, x equals 3. And when x equals negative 3, so it's negative 6 plus 3y equals 6. So 3y equals 12, y equals 4. Okay, so 3非常简单，这个我们就不讲了啊，就是跟上个星期很像，对不对 ，Andy？你在做这个题目的时候要当心，因为我发觉你正负数加减有的时候会做混掉。好，那我们现在来看一下 number 2，okay? So this part. In order to find out the easier points is very important, okay? Everybody, I want you to pay extra attention for the thing I'm talking about right now. Okay, technically you can put any one y number or x number, right? But the thing is, which one's the best? Of course, we have 0, and 0 is something we want to do, right? Because when y equals 0, x equals 1, and when x equals 0, y equals negative 4.
Yeah.
But how about the third point we're picking up? For me, I'm going to choose y equals 4 or y equals 2. But I will never choose y equals 5. Can you tell me why?
Oh. Because
it's 1 over 2 times y, 对不对？如果你放了一个 odd number，你是不是给自己找麻烦啊？对不对 ，Andy？So make sure，我跟你说，你自己 when you could pick up any data, Vicky, I don't want you to make any problem for yourself. You want to make it easier, the better, right? So if y equals 4，就是 2x 减2等于2，那 2x 等于4，所以 x 等于2。Get it？那如果你这里放一个什么 y 等于1000啊 ，y 等于1001啊，那真的就是自己给自己找麻烦，对不对？Okay, so I don't really appreciate you're doing something like that. Okay, so now let's move forward to the number E. So who can tell me other than y equals 0, right? So when y equals 0, x equals what? X equals 3, right? and x equals 0, y equals -5, right? So other than these two, what is the last number you're going to pick up from?
Oh wait, no.
Maybe you can do x equals
3. No, wait.
3
No.
already.
No. -3.
-3 or maybe 6,
Yeah.
Oh
right?
yeah,
So
yeah.
it's 4 minus 0.4y equals 2. So 0.4y
2.
equals 2. So y equals 5.
Wait. Hmm?
Get it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
啊，对不对？就不要给自己惹麻烦，对不对？啊，你要选的数字都要 very easy to calculate. The easier, the better. Correct? Understand? So this is a part of our homework for today. And when you're having graphing, that's very easy. Okay, so x equals 3, everybody. So this is when x equals 3, right? So remember, when it's x equals something, it's always vertical, and y equals 3 is something like that. Okay, get it? Okay, very easy. 这个我们就不讲了啊。Okay, so now I'm going to calculate matching the equation of graphs. Okay, 小朋友们，这个 chapter is the most important thing. Of course, when you're going to the grade 10, grade 11, and when we do the when we do the AP, 会更难. Then this is a starting point. Okay, 有很多小朋友就从这里开始有点晕了。OK， 这个时候有点晕了。来，我们来看一下，好不好？ So which one of the equation match the graph? Okay, so first of all, everybody, I want to ask you, have you ever 我老师有没有跟你们说过这个是什么东西啊？是 M， 对不对？好了，
Yeah.
红色我圈圈的部分是什么？
B.
是 B， 对不对 ？OK，B 是 Y intercept。好了，说明这个加4加4加4都是对的 ，because this line is intercept Y at 0, 4. No problem. Okay, so this one's right. So now let's study M part. So we have one M equals -2, another M equals 4, and another M equals 2. Correct, everybody? Okay,
Yeah.
without any calculation, I want to ask you, 上个星期 last week, have we ever learned that 当这个图是这样子的，说明 when x is getting bigger, y is also getting bigger. So the m must be bigger than what?
B.
0.
Ah.
Okay, when m must be bigger than 0, when x is increasing and y is increasing. So immediately I'm going to cross A. Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. When x is moving from -2 to -1, that means increasing by 1 unit. And y has been increasing by what? 1 and 2. Right? So every 1x getting bigger while we're getting 2 of them. So I'm going to say the answer will be C. So y equals 2x plus 4. Get it, everybody? Because every time x increasing 1, y will increasing 2. Get it? Because 2 times 1 equals 2. Get it, everybody? I'm going to stop here, okay? That is the most important part for the thing. Understand, everybody?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's why we are not going to do any calculation. We just understand this equation by the graph. OK， 那小朋友们，老师说，如果我现在要你画出来 y 等于4x 加4是怎么样的？还 y 等于4x 加4，还是通过这个 0, 4这个点，对不对？因为 y intercept 还是 4，可是我们这个东西啊，会更这样子竖起来。Get it, everybody? Because every single 1 unit of increasing, y is increasing 4 instead of increasing. Okay, I hope I understand. I have explained very well enough. But if you don't worry about it. We're going to have more examples. 好了吗？小朋友们懂了吗？如果不懂的，现在问我啊。Understand? So we're gonna move forward. If nobody asks me, so we're gonna move forward. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Which one of the graphs matches the equation x minus 2y equals -4? So first of all, everybody, you think this equation is the same as the equation we talked about before or
No.
something different?
Different.
非常好，
Different.
Thank you, Jason. Okay, because we learn is y equals mx plus b, 对不对? Okay, so first of all, I'm going to change it to -2y equals -4 minus x, and y equals 1/2x plus 2. Everybody, if you don't understand this part, I'm going to stop here, okay?
Oh,
Okay, so everybody, so let's take a look at this one. So the intercept is 2, so no problem. Every single line go through 0, 2. So I should say ABC is so far so good. But everybody take a look at this one. M equals 1/2. That means every single time x increasing by 1, y increasing by what?
what? 0.5.
Half, right? Very good. So let's take a look at this one. So first of all, I'm
So
going
it
to
will be
just take away
C.
A. 为什么 A 不对？因为 A 肯定不对。A 是 when m is smaller than 0, A 是这个样子的，对不对？我们上次学过了，所以
Yeah.
A 肯定不对。那我们来看 B and C. So let's take a look at this one. When 1 is being increased, so let's see. When x is increasing by 1, so how many y has been increased? 2. So this one is y equals 2x plus 3. Okay, so let's take a look. C. C is very easy, so let's see. So -4, so 我们可以看这里啊，这里简单点。So 2 to 3, x has been increasing by 1, right? And you can see, so y is increasing by 3 to 3.5. So obviously, C is the answer.
Yay.
Get it, Harvey? Okay, I strongly suggest you 这个 chapter 非常非常重要啊。Kelvin 和 Oliver 都已经把摄像头关掉了，不知道有没有在听 ？OK？
背的吗？是你背的吗？
老师，我在听，
OK， 很好。
我只不过是在沙发上。
嗯哼。
Wait, they both work?
Mhm.
No.
C is
Oh, my bad.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to move forward. Okay, so this is how we understand this. So C is the answer. So let's take a look at this one. So let's see the exercise. Okay, so we want to find out the equation of y equals 2x, y equals half x, and y equals -x. So which one is the easiest one, everybody?
Y equal 2x and
Y
y
equals
equal
negative
half
x.
x.
Very good. 因为它是这样子的线，对不对？ So I know it's I, right? So it's 1. 1 is y equals -x because it's when x is increasing, y is decreasing. So it's this shape. So let's take a look at this one. So 2x and half x. So this one is when x equals 1, y increase 2. And this one is when x increase 1, y increase half.
Half.
Okay, so we're going to know that. The more steep, 这个线啊，它离这个 y 轴越近，它增加的就越多。所以这个是什么？ And this one is 3.
3i.
Very good. Understand, everybody? Okay, so now I think you understand better. So we take a look at number B. Y equals x, y equals x plus x, and y equals x minus x.
Y is equal to x. Oh,
Mhm.
double I.
Okay, everybody. 我们不要在上面做啊，别的小朋友还要看，对不对？ Okay, so the easiest one will be y equals x because we know that it's just a line like that, right? So this is
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So let's see. This is B and this is B. So this is positive and this is negative. Very easy. So this is I, this is 3. Get it, everybody? Very easy, right? Because you see the y-intercept is telling you all the stories about that. Yeah, of course you can get some water. Oh, sorry, Andy, it's a long time ago. Okay, so let's take a look at
I already.
number C. Yeah. Let's take a look at number C, okay, boys and girls.
C. Okay. Okay. Y.
Okay, so I think we are, so first of all, you know, they're all +2. It's not really helpful, right? So that means we need to think about the m, right? So there's a 1 m3, -1, and a 1/3. I think we already know that. Which one is the -1? I, right? Because it's flashing. Okay, and which one's more steeper? Which one's more closer? Because you see 3 and 1/3. 我就知道有那个3肯定比那个 1/3 的靠近 y 轴，对不对？那这个就是 I 42 1 2然后3。Get it, Jason?
Yeah.
Get it, Andy?
Yay. Yay.
Get it,
I
Vicky?
got it.
Get
I
it?
got
OK，
it.
这个非常重要，因为我们现在学的只是这样，以后会有这样子的 ，OK， 这样子的，然后还有这样子的图，你都要找出来它的函数图是什么 ，OK？So we're learning something right now, but later on it's gonna be harder. Yeah, Jason， 我们以后会学这样的，还有
Where
这样、这样、这样、这样、这样，然后还有这样、这样的。OK, OK, so let's take a look at number D. Everybody take a look at. 哎呀，谁在上面画？我把那个 last word 啊，我去做那个 last word。
yo, I heard a notification. This is hard. Let me just. Or
Sorry, I mute myself. So Jason, stop it.
Yeah, Jason.
what?
Oliver, can you tell me
Yeah,
the
Jason,
first thing
stop it.
first? Let me do
Stop
that.
it.
What is the first thing you want to do? Okay, everybody, who can tell me?
Pardon?
The first thing you want to do is what? We want to transfer them into something normal.
That's yeah.
Negative 3y equals negative 2x plus 6. Positive 3y equals negative 2x plus 6. And negative 3y equals negative 2x minus 6.
What?
Correct, everybody? So that's his first thing. Yeah. Okay, so next one is we have to transfer them y into 2 over 3 minus 2. That's the first one. Second one, y equals negative 2 over 3 plus 2. And last one is y equals 2 over 3x, sorry, my plus 2. Okay, so first of all, let's see.
Oh?
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so how do we do this? So the b equals negative 2, positive 2, and positive 2, 对不对？好了，那也就是说，我们如果给这个编号1、2、3的话，是不是这个1这个地方，这个要么这个又是负的，对不对？ So this one is 2, this one is 1, and this one is what? Oh, sorry, this is 3, what I'm doing. So both of them are go through 2, right? So this is 3, because both of them are positive.
Yeah.
And this one
Yeah.
is 2, and this one will be 1.
Yeah.
This one is 3. And this one will be 2. So 1, and this is 2. Correct? Everybody understand?
Yep.
Okay, so let's move forward. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So this time we just to find out which equation match the graph. Okay? 好，那我们这个次的 A 和 B 两道题一起做。那小朋友们，这个我就给它标好 A 1 2 3 1 2 3。那你怎么做啊？你比如说告诉我 A is 1 and B is 3。OK， 你发给我的答案就是这样的，好吗？
嗯嗯
Uh-oh, my computer break.
嗯
Wait, we need to. Oh. Wait, we need to do A1 and B3.
No， 就把 A 和 B 的答案做出来。
Oh.
所以我就说，如果你选的是1和，对，你看 Andy 真的是1和2、1和3，我们瞎猜的。
Yeah,
Andy，
that's
我们
right.
瞎猜的。
No,
Do we need to draw it?
No, we don't
No,
have to do
no.
it.
Oh, wait, we just find out which one it is? Okay, my
Yeah.
bad. Sorry about that. What? Okay.
Okay, everybody, so let's take a look at this one. So first of all, you have to what? Change it to something you're comfortable with.
Workable.
Okay? Negative 2x plus 6, so y equals negative 2 over 3 plus 2. I think it's already this one, right? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So 3y equals 2x minus 6. So y equals 2 over 3 minus 2. So this one must be wrong because it's positive. This one, it looks like the m is negative. So let's take a look at this one. So 3y equals 2x minus plus 6. So again, this one's wrong. So the answer is 1.
Boo.
啊，我真的是这个 Andy，我完全没做过 Andy。Okay,
that's
so
right.
this one's right. So this equation is for 2x plus 3y equals 6. Okay, so let's take a look at number 2. y equals negative 2x plus 4. 这个肯定不对，因为这个一看 m 就大于0，对不对？好了，我们看这个 y 等于 2x 减4，哎，有可能，但是肯定不对，因为这个 y intersects negative 4，这个是 positive 4，也肯定不对，所以答案是3。
Oh no.
I guessed it. I seriously guessed it. So this one's right and this
Nothing but life. She did
yeah.
it.
I'm lucky star. Okay, everybody. So let's take a look at my C and D. C and D 太简单了，C and D 马上就
X equals
Oh no,
2.
this is so
No.
hard. Oh no. X plus Y
Uh,
is equal to 2.
no,
That will be 3, right? That will be
no.
3.
No, it's X
Yeah,
plus
it
Y
will
is
be
equal to 2.
3. It
Y
will be
equals
3. Oh,
No, but it can't be the middle one, right?
yeah, it can be the middle one. It will be the
Yeah.
third one, right?
Yeah, maybe X plus Y.
Yeah,
Y
that's right.
equals 2.
Yeah, but the second one, we have X is equal to
That's right.
Y minus, no, 3 minus 1. So 3, what the? So it's probably like Y is equal to 3. Both of them are in the middle.
No,
Right.
this one
Y
is
equals
y
2.
I mean, no,
equals
actually, no.
2. 对啊 y equals 2. Good job.
people.
Y equals 2. So this one is what? X
Y equals
equals 3. 老师说过了，这个竖的都是 x 等于什么，横的都是 y 等于什么。刚才说的都白说了。哎呀，OK，好，number three。哎呦，
Y.
看到这个头都晕了。OK，so A and B, please tell me what is the answer for A and B.
Two. X is 2. Mm-hmm. No, not 3. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
我突然发现前面几次的答案我都发给 Andy 的，不信你问他。我不小心发给 Andy 了。
Andy，你要不要帮他证明他有没有发给你？No？
Yes, he did.
OK，好。
That's funny. Ha 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 ha. 3.
所以你看，我们班里的小朋友挺好的
Wait,
啊。
are both of them double I's? Or both of them 2?
A 和 B，我不知道。
Yeah, I think they're both 2, right?
嗯哼，好，我们来看看啊，对不对 ？OK，好，首先第一个 negative one，他们都经过 negative one，说明这个没有用了，我们直接看 negative two，要看 m 了，对不对？So first one，我们把3先去掉，对不对？为什么？3不可能，3是 m is bigger than 0了，对不对？它才是这样子的 Vicky，对不对？好，我们要这样子往下的。So when x is getting bigger by 1 and y is minus 2.
Sorry.
So let's take a look at this one. So we're just pointing from 2 to 3. So from 2 to 3, if this is this line, if it is number 1, so it's only decreased by half. Obviously, it's not right. But if you can see, sorry, we'd use 1. So 1 to 2 is decreased by from -3 to -5. So this is right. So the answer is number 2. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. This one, we're going to change them to y equals 3x minus 3. Okay, so first 我们把3号选手去掉，因为3号选手的 y-intercept 是 -1，对不对？所以 we 去掉3号选手。那么看1号选手和2号选手，那1号选2号选手，1号选手也去掉，为什么？1号选手是 when x is getting bigger, y is getting smaller, which m is smaller than 0. Obviously, this m is bigger than 0, which is 3. So the answer is 2, 2. Very good. So both of them. Good job, Andy. Very good. Okay, so number C and number D. Let's try it, okay?
x to y. 4. Divide. No. Ow, my eyes hurt. 2? I mean, it can only be I. Oh, there's 2. Oh, one's yellow. Has to be 2 because one is false. -3.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. 这道题目最关键的问题其实非常简单，你们发觉没有？它的
Y-intercept
是不一样的，是分别 0, 2 and 4。也就是说 when you find out what is b, then you solve the problem really quick, right? So it's 2y equals negative x plus 4. So y equals half x plus 2. So
Yeah.
positive 2, so the answer is I. So 第一个是对不对 ？Okay, again this one. 好了，这道题目它这里好像没有，对不对？它其实在这里，对不对 ？Okay, so first of all, 我们看看它的 y-intercept 是多少，然后呢，我们再看看它的 m 是多少。So 2x plus 12 equals 3y. So y equals 2 over 3x plus 4. So obviously, number 3, you're out of the game. And plus,
Bye-bye.
this m is bigger than 0. Number
Yeah.
I, I'm sorry, you are out of the game. So the answer
Bye-bye.
is 2. Very good. So 1. Very good, Calvin and Andy. Very good. 怎么
-3.
除了 Andy 在发给我，别的小朋友都没有发给我啊？Andy, good
Oh,
job.
you're supposed to send it?
对呀，发给我。
老师，我发给你了呀，
你又发给 Andy 了吧？
我发给你了。
啊，对，这个发给我了，对，我刚才说了 ，good job, OK，好。So now let's move forward to this one, okay? So this one is having altogether 10 of them, and also there are 10 of different ones are here. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Y equals x plus 3, y equals 3x, y equals 好，我们来看一下，老师帮你们做一个啊。Y equals x.
Oh, thank
So
you.
obviously, m is equals 1 and b equals 3, right? So first of all, 像这种都不用考虑了，对不对？这种都不考虑了。OK， 啊，这种都不考虑了。好，我只看到 m equals 1 and y equals 3，那哪个是啊？哦，不，这个考虑的啊，这个考虑的。This one is 考虑的。所以 m 小于0的都不考虑，对不对？这种都不考虑。OK， 这种都不考虑，只有1、2、3、4可以。那看哪个通过3 只有这一个通过3 so the answer is D. Get it, everybody?
Oh wait, you're supposed
Okay.
oh match them.
Yeah, we need
Okay.
to match them. Okay, so y equals 3x. So b equals 0 and m equals 3. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. 那说明没有 y-intercept，那这种是不是都滚蛋？那是不是都滚蛋？啊，都滚蛋，都滚蛋，都滚蛋。那我们看看这个是什么？啊，不对，不对，不对，不对。有 y-intercept 都滚蛋，对不对？
Y is
那
equal
这
to
个这个
3x.
这个是的。Okay, so this one. So when x increase 1, y increase 3. So J.
Can you not help us, please?
Okay, get it,
Wait.
everybody?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Woo!
Yeah.
Now I'm going to 这两个已经找出来了，我帮你们画圈画掉。OK，好，下面1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8。好，我们不做所有的 OK，因为如果都做的话，就是会看不清楚嘛。那我们找一下 y 等于-2在哪里？这个应该很简单就能找到。
Wait, are we doing? Oh, okay. Bro, it's so small. I'm blind. Hmm? Oh. Yes, G.
Okay, so y equals -2. So when we say y equals
G.
1 is a flat one, so the answer is G. Okay, so x equals 4, very easy. It's okay. So everybody, this is part I want you to do at your home. Okay, at home. So let's take a look at this one. 老师帮你们把难的题目过一遍。OK，因为这个真的和你们以前所有做的题目，跟我们以前所有做的题目都不太一样。OK，好，我们来看一下这个。哦。
Ooh.
Whoa, this isn't funny. -1. Oh no, this is actually. Is it X?
Okay, so let's take a look at this one, okay? So how do we do this? Is we are using all the information the line is giving us, and we're giving the equation. So we're going to the next level. Understand, all of us? So everybody, let's take a look at this one. So the first one is we get the here, so it's what? So we know the b for each
-1.
equation is all -1, correct, everybody?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we say y equals what? So what the question is, m equals what? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. I'm going to starting with 1. So everybody, when you take the equation of y, sorry, 1, 你们觉得这个 m 是大于0还是小于0? Is smaller than 0 or bigger than 0?
Smaller.
Very good. It's smaller than 0. Okay, so I'm going to just find a 1. So let's take a look at this one. So
Negative. No one.
-4 to -3. So that means x is
-3.
increasing by 1, right? X increasing by 1. So y is decreasing by what? By half. So that means
Yeah.
it's -1/2x. Get it, everybody?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's take a look at next one. So
-2x.
let's take a look at number 2. So this one, again, it's m is bigger than 0 or smaller than 0 for this line.
Smaller.
Very good. Still smaller than 0, right? But let's take a look at this one. We just to pick anyone. So from 2
Y is 3.
-1. So when x is
4.
increasing 1, y is decreasing by how much? From 3
More.
to 1. So y is decreasing by 2.
By
So that's
2.
why it's -2x minus 1. Okay, so let's take a look at last one. Y equals what x? So let's take a look at this one. So because this shape is like that, so m is bigger
Positive.
than 0, right? We know that. So let's take a look at
Yeah.
this one. So x is from 1 to 2. So by increasing y 1 from 1 to 2, y is increasing from 2
2.
to 5.
4. What?
2 to
Oh,
5. See?
yeah.
2 to 5. So
Yeah.
x increasing 1, y
1.
increasing
3.
3. So that's why it's 3x.
Yay.
OK，这个东西非常难啦，小朋友们。OK, I want you to very carefully look at this part. OK, I want you to very carefully look at this part. You need to be step by step. I'm going to stop here for like 2 minutes and you calculate it.
Well, are we doing F?
Yeah, we're doing F.
Oh yay. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Well, should we send it?
Yep.
Yes, send it.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay, everybody remember, okay? So just do this. Y equals what? And think about it. For each of them, I 第一个最容易找到的是什么？是它的 b， 对不对？
Yep.
-3, sorry. 对不对？看好了，这是-2，这-3 -4，这个是-3。那这个第二个呢？我们来看，也是-3。但是第三个它的
-1.
-1. Very good. Okay, so let's see how many x are there. So we need to find one by one. So let's see. This is x. So if you don't know how to find out VP, it's very easy. Find the 2 points. 你看这个点是不是等于-1, 0? Okay, 那这个点呢？等于 0, -3. So you can see by increasing x by 1, 从-1到0，是不是增加了1啊？ y 是
Yeah.
减少了3。So that's why it's -3x minus 3. OK, 好，那我们再来看第二条线。第二条线也很容易 ，OK， 我们还是一样用这个方法。So let's take a look at this one. This point is 2, 3. And this point is 3, 6. So you're going to see by increasing 1x from 2 to 3, y has increasing by 3. It's 3x minus 3. Okay, last but not least, at 3. So we're doing the same thing. So this point is 3, 2. And this point will be 4, 3. Okay, so by increasing x by 1 from 3 to 4, y also increasing by 1. So it's x minus 1. Get it, everybody? So the 3 equation will be like that.
Wow.
是不是很简单？小朋友们，我们一定要把这个每一步 one step by step 听好老师说 this is a part that a lot of students is not going to get A in their grade 9 and grade 10, okay? So let's take a look at number G, okay? We're still going to do, Olivia, do you understand? Okay, very good. Okay, 好，小朋友们，我们一起 number G, I want you to do yourself, okay?
G. Three. Let's see what 3 is. Oh. Yep.
直接调成上面也不调。有人做啊？你今天没吃吧？我就让说只要吃面，其实你这2个分开吃，一个早上吃，一个晚上吃，一个晚上吃，一个早上吃。这个东西断了。别人要做我说，咱们分开吃对的。就你就一个早上吃，一个晚上吃，你这样2个状态呀。
Fix.
OK，我们来看看有没有小朋友一个一个写出来啊。
2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 20. Wait, what? Two.
加油啊！老师帮你们一下好不好？So number 1, b equals positive 2, 2 positive 4,
4,
and 3 is
0. Yeah.
Okay, we have
Yay.
Y, and Y.
I got it.
Okay, so first of all, let's take a look at this one. 1.
Wait, dude, should I send you it?
Okay, okay.
Should I send it?
Mhm.
Should I send it?
Yeah, send it, please. Oliver
Okay.
已经做完了。
1, 2, 3. Yay.
So this one, obviously, the first one. 如果你给我的答案是一个 positive number， 我觉得你肯定就错了 M，because M is like that， 对不对？肯定是我首先看到这个 M 肯定小于0。
Oh shoot,
OK，
I
好，
forgot
那
to
我
put
现在来
that.
看，这个是 -3. So this one's -3 is 1, 2, 3. So -3, +3, and -2 is positive. Oh, sorry, this one 3.5, and this is 3.好，你看 x 从-3到-2是不是增加了1啊？那 y 减少了多少？减少了1/2，所以是-1
I forgot to put
+2. OK， 那我来看看啊，Jason 是 positive， Andy 是
I
Oliver,
accident.
good job.
Yes.
You are negative. Very good. Okay, Oliver, good job. 是不是啊？是不是啊？那这个东西要首先看的，对不对 ？Okay, so let's take a look at number 2. So number 2, again, this one is again m equals smaller than 0. 如果你写的大于0，那肯定错了，对不对？好，那我们来看。So this one is 2, 0, and this one is 3, -2. 也就是说 x 增加1 y 要减少2，所以说是-2x + 4。你看 Andy 和 Jason 可不可惜？就差一点点，都对了，
It
就
was
差
an
一点。
accident.
对啊 ，OK， 好 ，Oliver
，That's
对。
accident.
什么 accident？ 你们两个 accident 都 accident 在一起，真是。OK， 下面一道题很容易。Okay, so it's y equals x because this is very obvious. It's a diagonal. 对不对 ？diagonal. Okay, so everybody, 我们今天学的这个部分是我们在学这个 linear equation 当中最难的一部分。要通过所有的东西，我们都要通过这个图形来找到所有的 answer. Okay, Oliver, very good. 所以在这个东西里面 ，Vicky， 我跟你们说啊，在做这个题目的时候一定要非常慢。OK， 一开始我们就算做的，你做的这么快 ，Jason， 你就做错了啦，
No,
对不对
I
啦
didn't. I think I did it right.
OK，Andy， 非常可惜，对不对？
That's
前面做的都非常好，
accident.
Yeah, it was an
差了一点
accident.
点。所以今天的回家
Yeah.
作业一定要非常非常认真做。This
I
is
will.
the hardest part so far. Okay, everybody, that's it for today's
will.
class. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. We're gonna see each
No.
other next week. Okay, bye bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.